Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, December 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on gold, I still think it looks very clear to be a 1, 2, 3. The question is if we're in this wave 4, which it looks like we probably are, then we're probably likely to make 3 waves down, which will likely last around the same time as this wave 2, which means that this wave 4 is probably going to last at least 5, 6 months minimum before it potentially goes back up and makes a wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, to me, it looks like impulsive down. It looks like corrective up. It's probably going to eventually end up leading to another impulsive down. I would expect this to make some sort of a three-way pullback, some sort of an A, B, C shape, probably at least down to the 38, maybe even the 50% to make this wave 4 and eventually go back up for a wave 5. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, to me, like I said, it looks like impulsive down, nice break of structure. Looks like a wave A. Looks like impulsive up, most likely A or B. I still think this is like a B or B, and it's probably going to go up and make a C of wave B. So it might already be going up for that wave C or B. Gold has been very, very sideways lately, so we'll have to keep an eye on it, but it looks to me like this is going to be what happens over the next several weeks, an A, B, and C correction. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, gold has been very sideways for a few weeks now, which is kind of not normal for gold, honestly. Big impulsive move to the downside, wave A. Very, very, very sideways action for what is probably still a wave B. So I think there's a good chance this is going to go up. It's probably going to hit the 61% minimum for wave B. Then I think it's going to go down and make a C. That would be the completion of the 1, 2, 3 pattern for the ABC of B. Then I would expect it to go up and make a bigger move up, probably around the same size as this big wave A over here for the big wave C. So anyways, let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, there's a pretty good chance I think that we're already heading up for the wave B. Like I said, gold has been very, very, very sideways, and it could possibly continue to stay sideways. So it possibly could just end up bouncing around like this. I mean, it is the holiday season, and markets can be very slow. I personally think it's probably more likely that it's going to make its way up to around the 61% Fibonacci retracement to finish off the wave B, which should be a wave C of wave B, and eventually it's probably going to go down and make that bigger wave C, just like I was showing on the 4 hour time frame, to complete what I still think is an ABC of wave B on the 4 hour and the daily time frame. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.